Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you are fine. So this is your study time. Let's start our English lesson. In this lesson we will learn how to circle the beginning sound of the picture. Do you know what is beginning sound? Beginning sound is the first sound that comes from our mouth when we say a word. So let's try it and do the work. Which picture is this? This is a fish, and when we say fish, the first sound that comes is f. Yes, it is f, fish. F, fish. Which picture is this? This is an umbrella, and when we say umbrella, which sound comes from our mouth first? A, umbrella. Yes, U, umbrella, we will circle the U. Which picture is this? Kangaroo. And when we say kangaroo, the sound comes first from our mouth is K. Yes, K, kangaroo, we will circle K, kangaroo. What is this? Yes, these are medicines. M, medicine. We will circle M, medicine. What is this? Grass. And when we say grass, the first sound that comes from our mouth is G, grass. Grass. We will circle the G. Now tell me, which animal is this? Snake. Yes. When we say snake, the first sound comes S, snake. So we will circle the S, snake. Wow, what is this? It's a rainbow. Yes, rainbow. We will circle R, rainbow. The beginning sound of rainbow is rainbow. What is this? This is a tree. Tree. Yes. The beginning sound is T. Tree. We will circle the letter T. Tree. I hope you have learned the concept. And here is an assignment for you. You have to circle the beginning sound of the picture as I have done. I hope it will be easy for you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.